Hello. In this video, we will show you how to run a group of tests in TestComplete. It's often a good practice to run several tests one after another. For example, the first test can initialize your application. The second one can check data loading. The third one, test dialogues that modify the loaded data, and so on. We have this sample TestComplete project with several keyword tests. Let's run them in sequence. You can define a set of tests to be run and their run order on the test items page of your TestComplete project. Let's open the page. For now, this page is empty. Let's add some tests there. You can do it in two ways, by dragging test items from the Project Explorer, or by clicking the New Test Item button and selecting the desired test. These test items will be executed one after another. Let's rename them so their names better reflect their actions. Now let's run our project to execute the added test items. Click this button. As you can see, TestComplete has executed all our tests one after another in the order specified on the test items page. The summary report contains overall information on the test run. To see detailed information on executed tests and their operations, we switch to this panel. Now, let's have a look at the test items page again and explore options that affect their test runs. If your tests take parameters, you can specify them here. Also, you can temporarily exclude a test from a run. To do this, clear its checkbox. Now, the test that adds a product to the shopping cart won't be executed. You can easily change the test order if needed. Now, the test that verifies a product's price will be executed first. If you want to exclude the test results from the summary report, clear the test case checkbox for this test item. Let's run the test again and see how it all works. You can see that the test that adds a product to the shopping cart will not be run at all. The test that verifies a product price will run, but its results will not be included in the summary report. Of course, you can still find detailed information on the test results, along with results of other executed tests, in the log details. Now, let's return to the test items page again and explore more options. Here, you can specify what TestComplete will do if an error occurs during the test item run. For example, if we select this stop test item value, TestComplete will stop the current test item when an error occurs and proceed with the next test item. If we select stop project, the entire run will be stopped upon an error and no other tests will be executed. Here, you can specify how many times each test item will be repeated. And here you can specify the timeout for each test item. If you use some external test management system, for instance, Zephyr for Jira, here you can link your test items to external test cases. This concludes our explanation. We hope this will help you learn how to run multiple tests and manage their execution in TestComplete. Thank you for watching.